Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be seeing what is inside my BoxyCharm box and my Ipsy bag for the month of February. Yay! I want to kind of try to make this short and sweet. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Okay, so it is 2 o'clock in the morning. I seriously just got home from the hospital 5 minutes ago. I even still have my wristband on. I was having a real bad, for those of you who may know, I was having a real bad flare-up. And I was having really bad short of breath and abdominal pain and chest pressure. And I went to go get checked out to make sure I had no blood clots in my lungs. Luckily, no blood clots in my lungs. Getting the pain under control, and it's just a severe PNH flare-up. So, good to go. But I did wanted to go ahead and do this video because I'm somewhat awake. So, I didn't do a full face of makeup. I just put some powder down. I put some stuff on the brows. Tried out a new highlighter, and I just popped a lip gloss on. This is Divalicious from Theyre Cosmetics. And I actually like it. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what is inside these two packages. But before we do, I do want to give a shout out to the Tuesday channel of the week. And that is going to CCosmetic Chaos. Yay! She is one of our newer family members, and she is just hilarious. I love her videos. She is so funny. She's very informative too. And she's just a doll. I love her. So I will put her information in the description bar and in the comment and in my comment on the comment section. So go check her channel out, show her some love, subscribe, and yeah, that is our Tune In Tuesday channel of the week. I need to start getting back into those again because people have been asking like, Melissa, what's going on? So I'm gonna get back into those, I promise. So let's go ahead and see what's in my Ipsy bag first. Oh, we got some stuff on the outside. First, I really have to say that I really love this bag. This bag is like super cute. It's like, it's not, one, I love the lace detail. And it's, the fabric feels, it doesn't feel like velvet, but it just feels different. I can't put my finger on it as to what kind of fabric it is, but I love this lace detail, and the zipper is so cute. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this card out. So the theme for February is unzipped. They have a lot of gorgeous and handsome people on here. So pretty nice. All right. Being sexy isn't limited to a certain size, shape, or age, and it's definitely not about airbrushing images beyond recognition. I really wish some people would take that to heart. That's a subject for another day. The way we see it, sexiness is authenticity. It's real, it's confidence, it's celebrating the magic of your unique beauty. It's forgetting what you think you're supposed to be and embracing everything you are. That's pretty cool. I'm not going to read the rest of it. I just thought I'd read, you know, just the first couple lines or whatever. But that's pretty cool. So that is the theme for this month. I am so sorry I look so washed out. I look good. I look fine in my mirror, but with, I don't know. All right, let's see what's on the outside. First, I got a Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush. I actually bought this with my Ipsy Poise. Ooh, this is nice. I think I'm going to start using this because that Real Techniques brush has really been letting me down lately as far as putting my highlighter on. But yeah, I actually bought this with my Ipsy points. I had some that were getting ready to expire. So why not buy a new highlighter brush? Why not? Oh, I'll put that in the drawer later. All right. We also have from BioBell 5-minute facial mask. It is a primer mask. Prep the skin for a flawless makeup application. Enhances, it has tea tree oil, rosehip extract, and vitamin C. It enhances radiance, minimizes pores, even skin tone. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this because I'm a little loopy, but whatever. It has no parabens, it's gluten-free, and there's no GMOs. Are there 2 in here? How many are in this bad boy? I have not tried this brand out. I have heard a lot of great things about this brand, but I never really tried them out. And there are 2. That's pretty cool. A primer mask to do before your makeup. We're going to have to check this out and see if it's really worth it. So, but yeah, that's pretty cool. However, I don't see anything about being cruelty-free. I do believe this brand is cruelty-free, though. I do believe so. I'll have to double check, but I do believe this brand is cruelty-free. All right. That's the stuff that was on the outside. Let's get to what is inside of the bag. Ooh, we got another brush that's from Luxie. It is their 249 brush. I believe this is their shader and blend brush, I believe. Ooh, that's neat. This will be great to use for me to get inside my crease, and I don't want to put too much pigment. And then this is to blend it. Okay, are you guys seeing this, or is this... What in the world? Are you guys seeing this, or is this just me? Like, I'm trying to show you guys. Like, there's some longer bristles here. That's weird. There, right there. There's some bristles, some stray bristles going on. Whatever. I'm excited. I can't wait to use this. All right. Next, we have from Mellow. It is a matte liquid lip paint in Tehran, I guess I believe. Tehran. No animal testing. That is awesome. It's a nudie color. I'll have to check it out, see if I like it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, next we have a sample of the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Concealer. I'm actually really excited about this because it is in my shade. I just gave my bestie Tabitha, hey girl, a big tube of this because it wasn't my shade, and she uses it and she loves it. So this is my shade in fair, or I mean light, ultra fair, because I do ultra fair in concealers and yeah, all that stuff. And the one that I had gotten was a medium. So it was in one of those kits that I got off QVC that I love to get. So yeah, this is cool. I can't wait to try this out. I heard this is really, really good. All right, and the last thing I have is from Maersk, Sydney, London. It looks like it is a loose pigment in the shade Foiled Again. Let's see how this looks. Ugh, get off my finger, tape. Dang. There's a sifter inside. Y'all know I go crazy over sifters and loose pigments. So I ain't got no big old mess. I hope everybody is having a fun start to their week. Ooh, this is pretty. This kind of reminds me of the Adept Cosmetics loose pigment in I can't remember off the top of my head what it's called. I'm such a bad person. I'm such a bad reviewer. But that's what it reminds me of. Let me see if it's like accessible. Here it is, right here. In Bird of Prey. That's what it reminds me of. Meditation. Someone's thinking about me. Not too bad, not too bad. That's all that I got this month. I am pretty happy with what I got. Really excited. I can't wait to start using this bad boy because, like I said, my Real Techniques brush has kind of been letting me down. But yeah, pretty cool. All right, now let's see what is, and I can't wait to try those masks out. All right, let's see what's in this BoxyCharm box. This is my second one. I was really impressed with the first one. All right, this is, the theme for this month is Galaxy Glow. Pretty cool. Awesome. All right. First thing I see is, ooh, a card. Okay. All right, first thing I see are some brushes. More brushes. These are from Crown. It is a 3-piece Pro Brush Trio. You guys, these look kind of familiar. Is it just me? Or do these look like Wet n Wild brushes? Is it just me? Am I? Ooh, nice fluffy brush I can use with my new bronzer that the hubster bought me. There's bristles flying out everywhere. But these, and they even have like the same divot in it. These remind me a lot of Wet n Wild brushes. I just saying. This is cool. Probably use this for highlight too. Cool. Not bad. Alright. My nose keeps itching. The next item I got is from Seraphine Botanicals. It is Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. Okay. Get off my finger. Alright, let's try this out. It's pretty packaging. Real pretty packaging. That's cool. I think this is like a lip scrub. And I do know Seraphine Botanicals is cruelty free. Yeah. I think this is like a lip scrub. Pretty cool. Yeah, a blend of soft sugar crystals with a rich, nourishing salve base that gently exfoliates and buffs lips, leaving behind smoother skin with a touch of refreshing lemon zest scent. I love lemon. Ask the hubster. I don't like, actually, I do like eating lemons. I'm so weird. All right, anyways. Next thing we have is a black eyeliner pencil from Vintage by Jessica Libeskind. If I said that wrong, please don't feed me to the wolves. I don't know if this brand is cruelty free, so I am going to have to check on this because it doesn't say anything on the pencil. But it's just the standard black kohl pencil. Nothing really exciting. I have like 50 million of these. Ooh, we got something from CoverFX. And this is their Shimmervale, which I believe is just like a matte liquid eyeshadow. And what shade do we have? An amethyst. Ooh, this is pretty. Just by looking at it in the tube. Not for resale. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. Come on, light. Don't be a butt. That is so, so pretty. I am loving that. I need to use this very soon. So cool. And the card was 20% off my next purchase on CoverFX.com. That is awesome. Because I've been wanting to try a couple of their things, but they're so expensive. And it's just like, why? And the last item I have is from Naked Cosmetics. It is a holographic highlighter collection palette. Naked Cosmetics, I'm kind of iffy on. Well, this is what the palette looks like. It's just a... One, I'm not really impressed with it. Because I have a highlighter palette that looks just like this. But, Naked Cosmetics is a little iffy for me because it does say on the back that it is a cruelty-free product. And they do say on their website that they're Leaping Bunny certified, but I haven't seen their brand on Leaping Bunny, which is PETA's program for companies to officially become cruelty-free. So I don't know what I'm going to do about this. I'm going to do some more investigation and find out. That and Naked Cosmetics, I'm not really fond of theirs. I've gotten a couple of their products and they just weren't up to par for me. So I'm not really a big fan of this brand. So I don't know. I might give that away. Who knows? All right, let's talk some precios. All right, the highlighter palette is $40. What? Oh, okay. The Shimmervale is $28, which that, I can believe that. The eye pencil is $21. Why is this eye pencil that much? Okay. The lip buffer is $24, which I can see that. And the brush trio is $29.99, which I do see that. Anyways. So overall, not a bad box. I'm not too thrilled about the pencil and the highlighter palette, so I don't know, I might give that away. I don't know. But let me show y'all the bronzer the hubster bought me. He got me the butter bronzer. He got it in the shade light bronzer. And y'all, it smells like banana boat suntan oil. It smells so good. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys. As always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/MelissaLeahGarrett, on Snapchat as MelissaLeah1223, and on Instagram as MelissaLeahGarrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel out to everyone as well. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Friday. Bye. I'm thirsty. Babe, you alive over there? Barely. My butt's hungry. Make me nervous anyway. Not bad for just like a 10-minute face.